It's chassis time! The Pro Built Chassis Raffle is happening now on the Pro Built Chassis vlog today. As you see behind me, the chassis is on the ground. We got it all mocked up. Really stoked on how it's coming out. Got a couple things here or there to finish up, but we're blowing it apart today. Video on that probably next week, but we're really happy with the way it's turned out. Couldn't do it without all our sponsors, Ridetech, Wolfsburg West, and of course Airkewld. The build list is going to be in the description below, with all the parts that we've used, all the tech specs. So if you got any questions on that, just click the link on the build sheet. Once again, $5 raffle tickets are available, also in the link down below. December 25th, Christmas morning, we're drawing it, the winner. Check out the terms and conditions on how that works. Let's see what else we got. Oh yeah, it's on the ground. Let's check it out. Pretty dope. The Pro Build Chassis Raffle. Get your tickets! That's all we have for today, guys. Kind of a pinnacle moment for the build, being at the finished mock-up stage. We'll get to take it apart today, kind of smooth out everything, make sure everything gets a once over, and then guess what, she goes to powder coat. She's gonna get some gloss black, she's gonna get some satin silver, she's gonna get some red. Gonna involve a couple new companies with this build, kind of create this most beautiful chassis for some lucky winner. If you want to see some more behind the scenes photos and videos, follow us on Instagram. Obviously YouTube is where you're gonna get all the videos, but if you're a picture guy, picture girl, you just love Volkswagens, you love the builds, Instagram's where you can find us. Last but not least, we want to thank our sponsors, Ridetech, Wolfsburg West. I want to thank the team of pros here that are working as hard as they possibly can been a while since we've done one of these. Kind of blessed and overwhelmed with the amount of business that we've had in the last few months. Had to kind of focus on that. Getting caught up again, getting ready for the holiday season. If you see parts on this chassis that you'd like, comment below in the comment section. We like responding to comments. We like working with individuals, helping you achieve similar or even better results than us. Yeah, we're here to help. So appreciate you guys watching. I've never done this before, but if you like what you've seen, you like where we're going, smash that like button. Make sure you comment and you subscribe to our channel. And if you feel that one of your friends should deserve this chassis, make sure you share it on all your social media platforms, text it to them, whatever. We appreciate it, and we look forward to wowing you in the next episode.